We're getting a lot of questions about indoor air quality since we sent a blog out that talks about doing 5 things to help with indoor air quality in your home. One is set your thermostat on continuous fan. Make sure you have clean filters. Make sure your system is maintained. And then that's brought about other questions about other indoor air quality products that I go over. The first thing you can do is just make sure that you have a clean filter in your system. You want to make sure you know where your filter is located, that way that you can keep it clean. Some other products that have been in this industry for years and years that we talk about during the spring and fall is one, this is made by APCO, and this is UV light technology. This actually gets installed into the ductwork. The air passes through it and it actually cleans the air. It helps with a lot of the germs, a lot of the bacteria, the viruses. It actually kills and neutralizes those, and also helps with VOCs. The VOCs are those smells that put off an off gas from carpets, different materials that are in our homes today, especially with new homes. This is just another brand that does the same thing, extends into the ductwork. The only difference between these two is this one also puts off a water molecule with peroxide in it that actually helps to clean hard surfaces as well. This company has also come out with some great ideas. That this is a unit that you can place in your car. This is for the technicians, like our technicians have them in their trucks, or the salesperson that basically their office is their car. They can have clean, fresh air in their car at all times. And this unit here is the mobile unit. This is a system that if you're renting a home or if your kids are away to college and it's something that you don't have access where you can apply one of those systems to the ductwork, you can take this unit, does the same job, and you can also unplug it and take it with you if you move to a different residence. If you have any questions about these or any products we offer, please give us a call.